Now, I have had this product for like forever. Like people have been saying, I can do a review of Satin Skinz Hithion Plus. Okay, you guys will say, oh, I'm looking fine. This girl is looking fine. I actually have a date night today. I did a makeup of this face. If you have not seen how I did this makeup, I will drop the link somewhere. Go and watch it. Go and click on it on my description box so that you see how I did this makeup. But yeah, moving on to why we are here. This is Satin Skinz Hithion Plus Black Series for people that want to lighten their skin. Hithion kind of works faster and better than that iron. But today I was telling you guys the benefits, the side effects, and everything that you need to know about Satin Skinz Hithion Plus. Should you buy it? Is it value for your money or is it not? How are we doing today? Sorry. I know you guys have missed me. Don't say no more. You guys have missed me. I know. I'm so sorry that I've not been posting because I have been so busy. Like, I've had so much to do with my life duty calls. But for my old subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the likes, for the comments. To my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. If you are just seeing me for the first time, like this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Akonke. I am a new YouTuber that blogs about lifestyle. And I've always said I've had serious skin issues. They've cheated me, they have abused my skin, and I've been trying to correct it. And every single thing that I do, every single thing that I use, I try to share it with you guys so that somebody can benefit from my experience as well. Okay, so if you'd like to see similar videos like this of me reviewing Satin Skin, any lightening product, supplements, click on the subscribe button. Okay, also click on the like button to encourage me as a new YouTuber. I bought this product, from my vendor. I always say my vendor. You guys know that I buy things cheaper from this person, so it's not like it's paid, but I just like to help you guys, as I've said. So I'm going to put my vendor's link in the description box as well. If you want to see a video of where I purchase my products from, there's a link there. Okay, go and watch it. Watch my previous videos. So yes, this is called Satin Skinz Hithion Plus. If you want to use supplements, if you want to use skincare products for your skin, to make you glow from the inside out, a lot of people use injections, a lot of people use supplements. Supplements even come in different types. There's the powdered form, there is the tablet form, there's even the one that looks like gel. Different kinds. There are the gummy supplements as well. So, but this particular supplement is a powder form supplement. You put it inside water, like about 100 ml, 50 ml, and drink it. How is the taste? It tastes like watermelon, basically. Like, it tastes like watermelon, as if you're taking watermelon. It's not sweet, it's not bitter. So this is about 10 cl of water. So I'm just going to, I just mixed it there, and this is how we use Satin Skinz Hithion Plus. Now, it's Satin Skinz Hithion Plus is Black Series supplement. It is made specifically for dark-skinned melanin tone women. As we are like this now, dark people, our skin produces melanin. That's why we have this skin complexion. Oh, they now created a product that will minimize that production of melanin, hence making us glowing from the inside and looking bright from the inside. I have used this product. I used it for about 2 weeks. Is it worth it? But before then, let me talk about it. They said it has pure Hithion white powder. It whitens the skin. It is 10 times more powerful. It reduces production of dark melanin. It also has vitamin E inside. That means it lightens dark spots. It is anti-inflammatory, promotes hair growth and hair loss, and prevents hair loss. It also has pure whey C to eliminate acne and scars, prevents wrinkles formation. It also has apple idnon, lightens skin. It also has peach extract to help in digestion, prevent constipation, and co-exam. I used it for about 2 weeks. I'll tell you that this is very, very powerful. Extremely powerful. If you want to use it, number one, I think you should buy a vitamin C to use it. This was what happened to me when I used it. My skin was breaking out. I made the mistake of mixing this product with another lightening supplement. I'm sure I showed you in a previous video of the lightening supplement I'm mixing it with another lightening supplement that was just as powerful. Now, it may work for some people. They will look white. I was looking very, very white, but the thing is that That's part of why I've not even done my video, because I felt like I was breaking out too much. I was so tired, and I was feeling so weak. I was feeling so tired because it was too powerful for myself, for my body. So if you want to use this, use it by itself. Another thing that happened to me was that I lost weight. I think I lost about 3 kg from using it a lot, because I was peeing a lot. You know, aside the fact that these things lighten your skin, they are antioxidants. They actually detox the skin. They detox the body. They detox your system. Even if not for any reason, you don't want to even lighten your skin, buy supplements. All these, you know, supplements that has Hithion, any supplements that has glutathione, it will detox you, will make you lose weight naturally. Like, my pimples is a lot better. Okay, so this is very good. Would you feel like eating when you use it? Not really. Actually, you will not really feel, because compared to sparkle whites, I felt very, very hungry using sparkle white by itself. But this one, I didn't really feel hungry, but it made me a bit weak. Also, owing to the fact that I mixed it with an equally powerful product, I wanted sharp results. But no, this particular product, you use it by itself with vitamin C, and it is good. Is it value for the money? Honestly, for me, I would say no. I would say that it's just as good as a lot of glutathione products that you will see out there. It's just 13 inside. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. These tiny things. This tiny thing, like in this pack, 13. And you use 1 per day. If you want to get effective results, you can use it twice daily. So is it worth it? It's not really worth it for that money, to be honest. Some people will tell you, use it today, don't use it tomorrow, use it next tomorrow. It will not really work. The best thing you can do is to use it first, you know, just use it subsequently. Like, so 13 days is not, how much is it? How much did I buy? I bought it around 15,000 naira. Okay, to be honest, I bought it 13 from my vendor, but you might see it's like 20k outside. I don't know, but in the UK, I think it's about 20 something pounds, 28 pounds or so from eBay. You can get it very cheap. You can get good discounts of this on eBay. It's worth it if you have the money. If you love luxury products, it's definitely worth it. Buy this and buy 1000 mg of vitamin C. I'm going to put this here, and I think it should be fine. You will glow from inside out. Your body, your system would cleanse itself. Your tummy itself will go down. Okay, this is very, very good for the body. Am I currently using it now? No. Yes, it did detox me. Yes, it did make me lose weight. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, or if you have another supplement that you'd like me to use and review, drop it in the comment section, because in fact I want to change my supplements again, and I'd like to make a review for you guys. Like, if there's any latest supplement, drop it. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, guys. Have a wonderful evening. It's Friday. I'm going to a party. I have party. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Cheers. Bye. Mwah.